We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Social advertising demands visuals that engage immediately. Gradient presets allow professional designers to create depth and focus without overcomplicating the workflow. Consistency is critical for business branding, especially for international audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. Color transitions are fine-tuned with RGB adjustments. Warm tones highlight promotions, cool tones maintain trust. Text and visual hierarchy are aligned with the gradient flow, ensuring readability and engagement. Background